Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end, and then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about birthday cake decorations in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both home and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. I provide you simple idea of how your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity I mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video. If you are interested in these types of design, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy my cake designs. I hope you love my cake designs. If you have any question about my YouTube channel, then please ask me in comment box. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing, so beautiful. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake design and collecting my beautiful channel in these types of design, in these types of video. I hope this design and this creativity are fantastic. I hope this video is very aesthetic and creative. I have beautiful video and beautiful ideas. All the designs are very unique and trending. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. You can use e-theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal showers, groom shower, anniversary, professional party or another celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs, then take a screenshot of it. Thank you so much guys.